This is a quick video showing the network profiling tool that Matt Reimer has written for Champ. And this really is all Matt's work. I'm just recording the video here. So what we have is a tool that can traverse through networks and accumulate attributes off of the network. It's written as a QGIS plugin, and we're serving that now off of a Champ QGIS plugin repository, so you can go and actually find it in your QGIS plugin store and automatically download it, and when we update it you just pick up the updates, etc. So that's been a good learning lesson, and we've found a good strategy for deploying plugins. It's good. So I have part of the MyNum here on a network, and what I want to do is I want to profile this network. I'm going to click on a headwater up here, and now I'm going to click on our plugin user interface, which is here. It's already picked up the full network that's in the map, and it's picked up the feature that I've got selected, and I can go and shift click now a few of the attributes that I'm interested in. And when I've got the attributes that I want, I can go ahead and say create profile, and it's going to traverse from that reach now out to the outflow here, and it's already done. We've got some modal issues on the dialogues here. It's going to go and traverse down through the network and accumulate the attributes I requested and write them out to a CSV file. We plan to ultimately have graphics of the longitudinal profile of the attributes you select. For now, we're just doing a CSV file. Matt also discovered this really nice little trick with QGIS that you can bring in CSV files, and I'm just going to fatten up that line. And CSV files in QGIS with a few tricks can easily just be dropped in, and it can pick up the XY off of the CSV automatically. So there's the path it took. There's some issues here with some backward digitized lines, so actually the tool that we're using can be used to diagnose problems with the network as well. But that's the path that it took. I'll just open up the CSV. So there's the CSV. These are the fields that I picked up. There's this WKT field is the well-known text of the point along the line that it's looking at, and this is what enables it to come back into the map as a CSV, as a layer in the map. There's the calculated profile length, so it's of the individual lines, and then there's the cumulative length as it traverses downstream. So from here, if I had a network that had, say, stream power, peak August temperature, gradient, sinuosity, etc., I can start to do some really interesting long pro analysis of it. Next steps, putting those visualizations on the tool, polishing up the user interface a little bit, and then start to do point-to-point analysis, as well as looking at alternatives. If what does a fish experience to get to a certain place in the network as opposed to another location, and actually comparing the attributes it has to pass through to get to those locations.